Good morning, guys. This is vlog 101. This is our gold Phon-Er, and we are in Hollywood by this place called Gershwin, the Gershwin or something, G-R-S-H-W-N. Right here. And we just came to fix the phone. It's an iPhone 7. We didn't have the widescreen because we just ran out of it. It's a weekend, so we brought her a black screen to install on a white screen. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll keep you posted. And she's calling me right now, so I gotta pick that up. So see you guys soon inside. Hey guys, so we're about to record this beautiful phone that has been killed. The button that was coming off is an iPhone 7, as you can see in the camera. Silver 7. It's going to be fixed. So let's do this. Guys, up so you guys can see everything. Hey guys, this is vlog 101. We just you saw that the iPhone 7 that we're doing. Pretty much what happened was the screen that she had was obliterated. Literally, it was like smashed up and killed. And we tried putting on a temporary black screen on, which is aftermarket, which I normally don't use. Just that was the only one that I have like as a backup, just in case somebody would like to have a just a screen until the the with the weekend, like I mean over the weekend until the stores open up, or until until I got the part actually for the original part. And so pretty much I put that on, but that screen wasn't working well because aftermarket, like I always tell everyone, do not use aftermarket iPhone 7 screens because it doesn't really work. The touch is never there. It's always a delay and some parts don't work. So, and that's exactly what happened. So I just told her that I didn't want her to suffer, even though I spent like an hour and a half on that screen. But I just told her that it's better that I just change the screen back to its original one that was broken, which is an aftermarket screen. It wasn't even original, but I put the white screen back just so that she will go to Apple today. It's Saturday, so they open up at 9:30. So I told her to go there and ask them to just change the screen and pay $120 and make sure that they don't overcharge her by asking her to get a swap phone and pay the $220 or $250 or even $300. I believe they could get 7. So I just made her aware of what's going on and how to go about it, and just so that she'll have a working phone and be happy and functional and everything goes her way. So we'll see. And then I also gave her the option that if Apple doesn't want to change the screen because they said it's too broken and it's too cracked up and they can't really do it, then for her to call me on Monday and I'll give her a white original 7 screen for $130, which is a good price. It's $10 more than Apple, but at least we'll be willing to work on it instead of just having to just give up on the screen and having to pay so much money to Apple. So that was that, and that's about it, guys. We shall be back with you with the 4K soon. The vlog 101 Ari out for now, and we'll see you guys soon. Peace with the 4K 360 flight coming your way. Peace. Let's cut for now.
So lost, I'm always in a hurry, and I know that things in life will always settle down.